Now, as I'm stripping this down in my very, very, very messy garage, which I'm hoping to tidy up later when this all goes away, I discovered on the side plate air receiver, some sort of serial number. I'm guessing that's max working pressure 140 psi. So I've tested to 400, so that's perfectly fine. I don't know what that is. Maybe that's what it was tested to, don't know. And then we've got another number, date 30th of the 5th, 1957 or 67? I think it's 57. Pretty old. And it's still in working order-ish. So yeah, it'd be nice to get this relic back up to scratch. So I'll carry on removing these bolts. Get this plate off, everything else is ready to go, get sent to the shop blasters and powder coaters. Marvellous. Okay, everything's off the frame. So now I'm going to try and remove, there's one on this side, one on the other. And to get it off, I'm going to use a punch, some special pliers, and a hammer. So, to get underneath, find the rivets and pop them out. So, giving it a few whacks, and then you can just about make out that it's coming away. Just about here. So then I take these to get in underneath, hopefully with one hand. Well, I'll do it with two hands. Okay, it's starting to come away now. Sorry about the poor light. A few twists. Okay. There it is. Do the same on the other side. And we're done. Now these are actually twist rivets, so I gave them a little knock from behind just to bring the head up, and then with a pair of mole grips, just unscrew. You can see it's how far it's raised up there. That comes off relatively easily, just like that. Okay, so the tank is filling with water, and this is the pump. So I need to connect that to that using a 15mm bit of copper tube used for central heating, so that should be fine. This is designed to go up to 3000 psi, but we only want to go up to 300, so well within its limits. Okay, so this is the tank with everything removed. I'm going to tighten down and fit two adapters. One is a blank, the other is just a 15mm compression fitting. So to test the tank, I'm not going to use air, because if the tank fails then it's basically a bomb. But with water you can't compress water, so there's no potential energy, so if it fails just get a little bit of water seep out and nothing else, so it's much safer. So I'm going to test it to 300 psi, which is double the working pressure. So first thing I've got to do is I've got to fill it with water, make sure that the sides aren't leaking as well, because I had one of those sides removed, and then I get the pump attached. Okay, so this is the setup. Tube going to the cylinder, all 15mm plumb fittings. It's an old tube, no point using a new one. Unfortunately the weight of the water broke the trolley a little bit. It's at least 100 litres in there, so I'm sure I can work out how much it weighs. So what I'm going to do now, open that, and then we start pumping it. Here, water moving so far, no pressure. Oh, it's starting to stiffen up. There it goes. Yeah. So that's 200 psi, or about there. So I need to get it to, I think it was 300. And let's sit and check the leaks. I'll see if I can get further than that as well. Got a leak somewhere. Okay, that's obviously not tight enough, so I'm going to tighten that up. Okay, so we're at 400 psi, and the working pressure of this is 10 bar, which is 148 psi, so I'm well over double. 300 was double, so an extra 100. All seems fine, no leaks. So, yeah, I think we are good. This is a good cylinder. It's not going to blow up at 400, it's not going to blow up at 150. Well, that's hot air coming out there. Hopefully this will dry out. Okay, so the cylinders come back from the shop blasters, and we start with one question. How can you lose a tripod? Well, I have no idea where it is, so I'm going to have to do this by holding the camera. It's a pain in the ass. So what I had done, I had the main cylinder done, the guard, which is somewhere in here, and the frame for the motor and pump. There. I also had done the front cross member for the MGB. As you can see, it's come out pretty nice. I can really recommend it. That's really nice, thick. Feels very durable, really nice. So, let's rip it off. See what we get. Bloody heavy this. There we go. Hard to tell in the garage, but that's really, really nice. Really nice. Feels. You can see what they've shot blasted on that. But it's yeah. So it's a bit of dust. Very nice. Nicely done. I like that a lot. Yeah, it's come out really, really good. I'd say it looks brand new. Very nice. So let's see what's in this one. Bear with. I'm not actually opened this one up yet, so. Oh wow, that looks really, really good. Any tiny little dings and things you see, that's from where it was rusted before, but it looks way better. Yep, I'm liking that. Liking that a lot. As you can see, You know, you can see bits of pitting and things. That's the inside. That's the side that you, well, we won't even see this side because this is going to be tucked behind the motors. All you'll see is this bit, which looks absolutely brilliant. So I'm very pleased with that. Put this somewhere without scratching it. One and two. So what I'll do here. See, all the various holes that have been drilled into it over the years are still there, but that's fine. Excellent. This will do nicely. Yeah. I don't know if it's a light, but it gives it sort of a blue hue, but it's definitely black from my point of view. Nice. So, I need to rebuild this little pile, which I'll do over the evenings and the weekends, and then I think we're well on our way to having a nice new, well, restored compressor. Watch this space. Way to wreck it.